mahusay naman.
Mas mahusay ako.
Minessage mo ako during the Stefano thing.
Mm.
And tapos na yung issue na to like this is done. But we have a chance kasi to talk about it kasi I respect your opinion and I respect your thought process. Nag-message ka sa akin, sabi mo, Eddie, maganda magkwentuhan, ang ganda rin ng position mo kay Stefano and that thing. Minsan kwentuhan tayo. Okay, what is your position on that? Like now na tapos na siya. It's just like tayo lang. I think kasi it's a very, very important topic. Stefano, tanggalin mo na siya dito. This is mindset of a creative. This is maybe the way we look at things as a creative person, as a professional. There are a lot of people who will emulate things and do things and repeat a structure. Ano yung position mo doon?
Una, ang naging position ko talaga is, na-recognize ko yung nararamdaman niya. Kasi
Same.
I went through it.
Yes.
So, it sucks na merong taong ina-emulate exactly yung ginagawa mo at feeling mo parang na-exploit nila yung process na you worked hard to create.
Yes, they
And at
took
the
it.
same time, bilang audience din ng iba, minsan ako na-inspire. So, paano ko ba babalansin to? So,
Tama.
binahig ko siya ng ganung way na, in a way na para siguro ma-explain kay Stefano na if you are effective, people will emulate what you do kasi
Yes.
we are just striving for success, di ba? And
Tama.
along the way, habang ina-emulate nila kung paano yung yung creative process mo, maybe they can find themselves as they imitate you kasi imitation
Yes.
is the yung sincerest form of flattering.
Yes,
diba?
yes, exactly.
So, parang ganun. Magandang bagay siya na nangyari talaga kasi we can talk about it. And at the same time,
Nag-reflect tayo bilang
Nag-reflect ako
creatives
bilang
at
creative.
nag-reaffirm yung mga decision mo how to respond to that. And speaking of that, nung nalaman mo na may kumaya sa'yo, like anong naging response mo doon? What was if you're gonna be honest and go back to that point in your life and career na may gumaya talaga sa'yo sobra-sobra, what was your response?
Noong una, medyo nakaka-off yung feeling kasi ang nangyari, nauna akong gawin yung bagay na yon tapos multiple times ko nang ginagawa to the point na alam ko, ako yung gumawa nitong format na
Yes.
to, which is yung format na, alam mo yung tinanggihan ko promotions, yung medyo sarcastic style na way of promoting brands.
Yeah.
Noona, may nag-comment kasi na, sa akin mismo, nag-comment siya na, ginaya mo tong style na to kay ganto. Tapos, pinanood ko yung video, alam kong nauna ako sa kanya.
Yeah.
I don't want to make unnecessary dramas din naman. Kasi alam ko it will look bad eh. Hindi ko pwede polisin yung
No,
tao.
but what did you say to yourself? What did you do? How did you move forward? Ikaw, ano yung sinabi mo sa sarili mo to move forward from that? You did something eh.
Kailangan ko i-strengthen lang na this is mine. Kumbaga, kahit may manggaya dyan, I will be the best sa
Ikaw.
version na to. Kasi this is, na-inspire ka sa akin eh. Hindi mo ma-outshine sa bagay na ako yung nag-start. Kumbaga,
so,
akin to, i-hone ko na lang
You
yung
took
sarili
it as
ko.
motivation.
Yeah.
You're just like, hindi, ako eh.
Akin to.
Ako to eh.
Mm.
And I'll be the best me I can be.
Yeah.
The fact that another person called you out for your style with someone else.
So, alam kong nauna ako sa kanya. Pero na-curious ako. Teka lang, nauna ba to? So, pinanood kong ganun.
Pero
Then,
mahusay naman.
mas mahusay ako. Pero, siguro na naig na lang eventually na natutuwa ako na ginagawa ng iba. Ibig sabihin, I'm really doing something good.
Yeah, and I love that because you look at it in a way na parang ano bang makokontrol ko? You were gonna be the best version you can be. Hindi mo nilagay yung oras at energy mo sa mga manggagaya sa'yo or gagawa nun kasi what does that do to you? It affects you the most. Stefano kasi as a creator, I respect. Kasi that guy is a highly creative dude. I'm
Ang
just
galing
like, mahusay. Like any creative who's done creative for a while, when you look at Stefano, will appreciate what he's doing. So for me, I thought that you never typed it. You never typed you never did that. You never said that I hope other people can respect my creative things or things like that where you're trying to just say it. You never prompted action. You just kept doing your thing.
Yeah.
And you applied the same thing. That's all I'm saying. It's more of how you respond to situations like this. Because if you try to fight everyone that copies you, I'm not saying steal from you. I'm not saying taking your name and doing and claiming to be you. Two different things. Copying a style, copying a creative structure. It's going to be very hard to try to police all of those things. And the person that's going to be burned the most is the person chasing.
Yeah.